So something else that's interesting about Bayer Business Consulting is we have people at the very beginning of their careers that are right out of MBA school. We have individuals who have been working in the field in different industries. And we also have people who are more senior level, people with previous external consulting skills, consulting backgrounds. And it's a good opportunity to work with a very, very diverse, very talented group of people.
So I joined business consulting as an experienced consultant from external management consulting. And prior to that, of course, I've worked in a couple of pharma companies, worked in the media industry in both sales as well as brand management, and I've worked in advertising and brand management before that in an ad agency.
I've studied business administration in Germany, France and the US, and right after studies I joined a leading consulting firm, an international consulting firm, and worked there for several years, and 2 months ago I joined Bayer Business Consulting.
I have a background which is a little bit esoteric from today's perspective. Earlier in my career I spent time in national defense and security. That's where I got my PhD. Subsequently then I went into management consulting, and after PhD in political science I also obtained my MBA from Columbia Business School, and have been happily consulting ever since.
So I started my career in engineering at an aerospace company. And shortly after starting in engineering, I discovered my love for operations, operational excellence, Lean, Six Sigma. And it was through that career step that I also discovered my interest in the business side. So I pursued my MBA with Tepper School of Business. It was during my career search as part of my MBA that I learned about Bayer. And I learned about Bayer, and specifically Bayer Business Consulting, from other alumni. I received just glowing reviews about the process, about the group, and about the opportunities.
I began my career working in sales for a global pharmaceutical company, and then I got my MBA at Harvard University, and then I came to Bayer Business Consulting. And what stood out for me during the interview process were three things. First, I would say a wide spectrum of client engagements, and the opportunity to work on product launches, operational excellence, supply chain, and a variety of sales and marketing projects. And the second thing would be the opportunity to work very closely with clients. And also, of course, the people.
Prior to business consulting, I worked in one of the leading strategy consulting firms in Asia. I started as an associate and then got promoted to a manager. And in terms of education background, I got my MBA in INSEAD in Fontainebleau, France. Working in a business consulting platform in Bayer, I think basically you need to be able to work in an international environment. You need to have the relative knowledge, and you need to know how to work with people from different backgrounds.